Welcome back to HDR, Honest Gardening Reviews with Will. This is my puppy Penny, such a good girl. First time growing hydroponically, so I had my issues. I don't blame the unit at all. It is entirely my fault. I had to research into it, found out that there's a green mold or green algae of sorts, something growing here. Basically, it's because sunlight was hitting the medium when I should have had it covered in clay rocks, clay pellets, however you want to look at them. Lesson learned. I'm replanting everything into new soil. I've also bleached the capillary mat there as well, just to make sure that any residual is going to be gone. Again, bleaching. I'm going to wash it out, let it soak for a little bit. Tomorrow it'll be coming out, and we'll be making sure that it's all fixed. So today's first item that we're going to be looking at is the self-watering bulb. It's pretty generic, made of plastic. Not very nice to write home to, but you know, it is what it is. Let's get to it. So this item I had to wait about a month to get. It's from AliExpress. Price is right, but shipping time is extremely slow. So if you were looking to order it for any future occurrence, order in advance. The item was discreet, came in a black bag. If it was glass, it would have gotten to be broken. My initial thoughts of this, it's kind of a mixed feeling. It's not very nice looking, but at the same time, it's not the worst product out there. But it'll do in a pinch. Basically, I just went ahead and filled it up with water, made sure that it didn't leak, made sure it worked. So it does work, it does its job, but again, don't expect it to look pretty and expect a big delay in time frame of receiving this product.